In this lesson, I will take a look at how to generate a simple basic motion study of a Plinko game. This will showcase both gravity and contact between assembly components being used within an animation. The first thing I will want to do is make sure I am in the basic motion study type. I may also find the need to adjust the motion study properties. I can hit the Motion Study Properties button and fine-tune any of these properties as needed. In this case, I will increase the frames per second to 30, and I will also increase the geometry and contact resolutions. It is important to note that basic motion studies are not exact and are in fact approximations. So this is why increasing the accuracy slide bars here may be useful. Once I have the correct study type and properties, I will want to add gravity by clicking the Gravity button. This opens my Properties side panel, where I can define direction and value of the gravity to use in this study. In this case, for example, we will use the default gravity value and make sure it is in the correct Y direction. If I were to play through my study now, I can see my disk dropping due to gravity, but my board is not. This is because the board is my fixed component in my assembly. Also note, the disk is going straight through my Plinko board. This is because I also need to set up my contact components. To set up my contact components, I click the Contact button and select whichever contact components I would like. In this case, I would want to select both the Plinko board and the disk, as they will be coming in contact with each other. Now, calculating my motion study, I have my disk dropping down the Plinko board as I would expect. This shows the effects of both gravity and contact between components in an assembly.